Is it time to buy or sell PayPal stock? In this video, we will explore PayPal in greater depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 17th of September, 2025. And now, we aim to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since September 17, 2025, our system has identified PayPal as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.95. Now let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock sits within a broad and declining trend in the short term, with indications of further decline within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of nearly 10% down over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between approximately -14% and -3%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a change of about -18%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance might vary from -41% to -5% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $40.20 and $64.97. Our latest daily update for PayPal includes the headline, PayPal stock upgraded to buy candidate. The PayPal stock price increased by 2.65% on the last trading day, Wednesday, the 17th of September, 2025, rising from $66.85 to $68.62. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.39%, with a daily low of $67 and a daily high of $69.27. The price has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days, and is down by 1.46% over that period. Volume has increased alongside the price on the last day, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 8 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 17 million shares changed hands for approximately $1.16 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $93.66, and the lowest price was $55.85. Currently, the price is 26.73% or $25.04 below the 52-week high and 77.88% or $241.54 below the all-time high reached on July 26, 2021, when the price peaked at $310.16. PayPal has just tightened its growth narrative. Today, the company announced a multi-year partnership with Google to integrate artificial intelligence-powered shopping and payments into both platforms. Additionally, this week, PayPal introduced new cryptocurrency payment tools and PayPal links, allowing users to incorporate cryptocurrency into peer-to-peer transfers and enhance global reach through Venmo and digital wallets. Management is also intensifying efforts on Buy Now, Pay Later as another avenue for expanding their take rate. Analysts have reaffirmed optimistic views as revenue and profitability trends show improvement. In the short term, these developments serve as clear catalysts, fostering stronger sentiment, renewed institutional interest, and potential upside in the shares as investors adjust their growth expectations. Expect some volatility surrounding updates on execution and macroeconomic risks, but initial movements are likely to be positive. Looking long-term, successful integration of artificial intelligence with Google could enhance merchant adoption and lead to higher-value services. Meanwhile, cryptocurrency and Buy Now, Pay Later initiatives aim to broaden the addressable market and diversify revenue streams. The potential for upside hinges on effective execution, competition, and regulatory scrutiny. If PayPal successfully translates product advancements into sustained volume and margins, the stock could see a substantial re-rating. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned PYPL a positive rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned PYPL a market perform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned PYPL a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned PYPL an overweight rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Seaport Global assigned PYPL a neutral rating with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned PayPal stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for PayPal. The PayPal stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. However, there exists a general sell signal due to the relationship between these two indicators, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected at levels around $67.15 and $68.54. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, September 10th, 2025, and the stock has since increased by 4.54%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, trading volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term trends. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence. This indicates a sell signal. Pivots. A buy signal was noted 6 days ago. Bollinger. A buy signal was also observed 6 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average showed a buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 34 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average pointed to a buy signal 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also showed a buy signal 19 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for PayPal. PayPal finds support from accumulated volume at $68.57. And this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically experiences a good trading volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is regarded as low. Over the last day, the stock moved $2.27, or 3.39%. Between its high and low. In the past week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 2.32%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for PayPal, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.21. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for PayPal. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for PayPal is at $69.71. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a potential point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, PayPal encounters its first support level at $68.57. If this support level holds, it could be an opportune entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for PayPal from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider transactions were conducted by Miller Jamie S., who bought and sold 30,137 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 16.027. In total, insiders acquired 293,638 shares, while selling 405,611 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $65.37, reflecting a decrease of 4.74%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, which translates to a lower risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 5 days ago. Is PayPal stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a declining trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 18th of September, we expect PayPal to open lower by 32 cents and start trading at $68.30. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.